Hey guys, we are going to be doing my nails today, and I got a lot of stuff. I got like more stuff from Shein in terms of like the gems and stuff, and I have like all these things. And I was like trying to think of like what I wanted to do in terms of like the design and stuff. I do still have one nail shape, which is like the medium length coffin. I think for now we should probably do purple, which is cool because I haven't done purple nails. I have glitter, you know, I have all these like little glitter stuff, so maybe I can use the purple glitter. And then I have all of like these charms, these which are like little flowers. And then I have these like little rhinestones and pearls. And I also bought these regular silver ones. And then and I have white, like the white powder. So I don't know, I kind of want like a French tip, you know, and then like have like a bunch of rhinestones on them like that. Because I bought the tools. I bought like this thing to like grab onto the rhinestones, and then I also bought like little brushes to help with like the designs, and then like the different sizes of like the ballpoint things to help with like the glue and like moving the glue and stuff. So this stuff for a while because like see, like look at, I have like different measurements to do like to finally be able to do like the French tip like right way. Oh, and I bought this stuff like a while ago too, so I kind of forgot what I bought. But I also have this glitter stuff, so which is really cute. So I'm so excited. I would love to do like a French tip like this. But the only thing is that I don't have like that nude to do the French tip. Okay guys, I found it. So it's this one. So again, it has like that nude thing on it. So I'm gonna take it as inspiration. It's a little plain. Like I'm not obviously gonna do like the flower thing that's painted. I'm probably just going to use like these flowers. So I'm gonna see, but I'm actually gonna also look up like if I can make a nude polish, like what colors to mix, because I don't know, but I'm gonna have to see. I just gathered all my materials and I also got the nails that fit. So I'm just looking over right now what I have to do because I kind of forgot. So I don't really do much with my cuticles besides push them down. I'm just gonna dust it all off, and then to dehydrate my nails, I'm gonna use a microfiber towel and just put some rubbing alcohol to help just dehydrate my nails. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some regular nail glue, and then I'm going to apply some rhinestone glue. I'm gonna buff my nails out to get rid of the shine. Alright guys, so I just finished buffing them out. Now I'm going to apply the base coat, which is from the Model 1's company. So going based off of the photos, I'm going to do a French tip on the ring fingers and on the thumbs. First things first, we have to blend. I really hope this works, guys. How cool. actually worked. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a second coat on each. Alright guys, so my phone died and I didn't know where I left off. So this is how my nails look. So I did end up finishing this hand. They honestly look really nice. I ended up fixing the glitter. So I'm just going to show you how I did the rhinestones. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to do this middle finger. As you can see, there's like 2 bigger rhinestones in the front. I'm going to take the rhinestones from this palette. I'm going to take these second ones right here. And I'm going to do those as the middle ones. I'm just going to kind of smear the glue as well. I'm going to add more glue around and like have it designed like the curve that I want for the gemstones. So the same thing, you're going to apply the glue, but like I said, as the curve. So this is how it looks so far. You're gonna basically repeat that but on this side. Okay, so after curing that for 60 seconds, this is how they should look. And then the last thing you're just gonna want to do is just apply your top coat, and then you're just gonna cure your entire set for, I like to cure for 90 seconds just so that way it's like more dry. Okay, and this is how they came out. They look so cute. Let me show you guys in person. I mean, closer up. Alright guys, so this is how they look, and I like how they kind of glow in the dark, which is really cool with the glitter. So that's really cool. But yeah, they actually came out really nice, in my opinion. Like obviously this glitter, I need to scrub it off. If you left an aftermath like I did, make sure to clean that up. But I'll see you guys next week.